is a live broadcast on Sean NNN. I am your host, Sean Myers, aka Sean the Barber, and I am just here today to give you guys what looks like a live update on 1 week after his beard shave. Or should I say my beard shave. If that's something that you're interested in, stay tuned and follow me next. But before we do that, please like and subscribe, and we will keep you here updated with new videos. Thank you. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Sean the Barber back again, and I just wanted to start this video off by saying it's been about a week. There's the beard. It's looking a little rough. I let it grow because I'm going to continue to let it grow long, and I'm going to start probably around my Adam's apple and create my first line. I'll demonstrate that in a minute. But overall, the expectations for growing your beard, week number 1. Now, I did cut it down to with a 1. I used the 1 guard to take it down, so it wasn't completely down. So if you want to go ahead and call it 2 weeks, call it 2 weeks. But this is my video. I'm going to call it 1 week. This is 1 week after me cutting my beard down. So that being said, this is what you can kind of can see as far as beard growth when you cut it down for week number 1. Now you can start seeing your beard grow in. You can't. I mean, I wouldn't necessarily call this a beard yet, but it's getting there. It's getting there. And matter of fact, if you want to go ahead and whip out your beard oil and start rubbing it on your face, ever so lightly, slightly, whatever you want to call it, then you can do that. It's really good to do it now. It's really critical and important to do it at these stages. Now, that being said, you also want to create your lines, make lines as your beard's growing, because you don't want it to look scruffy. You still want it to look nice, don't you? You still want it to look nice, don't you guys? Come on. So, you got to make sure you maintain your lines underneath where I showed you. So that's where I'll cut. I'll cut about here. What you want to do that and get an accurate little line, you want to take find your Adam's apple, take your 1 finger, go right above it, and start creating your line. Because like I discussed in other videos, you don't want to start a beard creating a line up here near your jaw. The beard's going to turn out funny, it won't be as full, and it won't look as nice. So, that being said, create your line, take care of your beard, keep letting it grow. Don't get discouraged if you have patchiness. I mean, you can still see I have patchiness, but give her time. Give her time. Patchiness ain't nothing but a thing. Okay? Stuff will grow in. The beard will look sick in a few more months. I intend on doing probably, maybe I'll do a weekly update. I'll do a weekly update for you guys. Why not? What else am I doing? I hope everybody's being safe right now. Hope everybody's, still praying for everybody out there going through it. It's difficult at these times, and I'm just creating these videos to help. If you want to come grow your beard with me, come grow your beard with me. Who cares if you only got a little beard and you're curious, you're wondering, should I grow a beard? Well, do it here. Do it now. Start your beard today, my friends. Today is the day. And you might learn to hate it. If you learn to hate it, you at least give it a chance. Give it a chance. Let it grow for maybe a couple months. But you can do that right here on my channel with me, because I'll be doing a weekly update. The weekly update. And it'll be fun. Why not? I'll show you products that I use on it then, and I'll show you how I put the products on it. I'll show you how I comb it eventually. Right now I ain't got nothing to comb. It's just a little baby beard. So, that being said, beardsmen, this is just a little update, okay? Like I said, I'll do it once a week. This is what to expect for once a week. And, not much to it. Let it grow. Keep letting it grow, my friends, my bearded friends out there. Let it grow. Have fun with it. See what happens. See what your beard makes happen for you. My gosh, I'm tongue-tied today. I got the tongue twisties. So, that being said, just let it grow and have fun with it. See where your beard takes you. Everybody has a different beard. That's what's so cool about having a beard. Okay, everybody's beard is gonna be different. That's what makes you, my friend. So don't ever hate on your beard. Okay, love your beard, respect your beard. Beard is manly. You're manly if you have a beard. Okay, let it grow, have fun, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. If you like these little tips and updates, like and subscribe, and I'll be your barber here when you need me. Later, guys.